Okay, so I'm here and we're going to open up the Advent ESCNAV2. This is the Ford Escape integrated navigation module. It'll also fit other models of vehicles, and you'll want to take a look at the application guide. Open up the box and see what we have inside. As usual, we've got an installation manual package. It includes installation instructions, which give you a step-by-step of the vehicle. Now remember, some installations may vary. It shows you what's in the kit, what it's for, how to install it. But most installers should research their installation on their vehicle. Go to adventproducts.com for more installation on different vehicles. This is a quick start guide for the unit itself. It gives you all the screens and the information of how to use it for the consumer. It's double-sided. And then there's a navigation quick start guide. The actual navigation manual is about 200 pages, so the full navigation manual in English, Spanish, and French can be downloaded at adventproducts.com as well. So if you have a customer with that need, you know where to get it. So as we continue, you're going to find the navigation module, polybagged. I'll go over a couple little things on this module since we have it out. One is you're going to notice you're going to see logos such as HDMI. The reason this logo is on here is because this is a truly registered licensed HDMI device. It's not HDMI to analog or some sort of converter, so you get a high resolution picture, as you'll see in the other videos. FCC certification. This up here is a Microsoft license for the operating system, and this little shiny sticker here is put on by Advent Quality Control. Each unit is 100% QC'd. On the bottom of the unit, you have a satellite antenna connection. These connections here are designed for USB input, aux in for a camera. These units can utilize the factory camera, or you can add a camera to them, and then your main harness connection. We flip it over here, you have a SD card slot, micro SD, excuse me, with a card in it. That is your map. Leave it in. USB and full SD size, they are not used. They're only used in the factory for modification. And then here you have a high density output cable. This is designed to run from here to the adapter, which I'll show you in a minute, and that makes sure that your graphics and your resolution are definitely high definition. Set that to the side. Then we have an accessory box. So as we open this up, let's see. This is a piece of foam double-sided tape. It's designed for holding the module in place. No rattles, no shakes. It'll be explained in the installation instructions. You have this cable right here, which matches up to the connector on the side of that box, as well as the interface adapter, which I'll show you. Heavy-duty shielded cable. USB cable. The USB and the HDMI are on an 1¼ inch round snap-in plug. 1¼ inch hole saw, drill a hole, snap it right in from there. Runs to the module. This is designed to also connect with aux in. You'll have all the information in the manual. The HDMI, again, is another true HDMI certified jack. It runs right through to the adapter. The wire harnesses that we have are all true factory type connections. They're spring-loaded, spring-lock connections, just like on the factory harness that you have. They're also cloth wrapped, and you have a 5-amp fuse on the harness for extra protection. Satellite antenna is included, of course, and with the satellite antenna is a backing plate. The antenna has a magnet, which snaps right to metal, but the backing plate is used if you're going to place it on the dashboard or under a plastic panel. It has 3M tape on the back. Peel off the 3M tape cover, and you can attach it and then snap your antenna directly to it. Makes for a nice, clean, easy installation. Now the heart of the system, and the reason why we don't need to modify anything in the radio. This proprietary adapter that we have right here is designed to integrate between the sync module and the actual panel in the vehicle. take off these little metal covers, and it exposes the holes on one side and pins on the other that we have here. The sync module itself is mounted directly to the back of the screen with 4 screws. You take those 4 screws off, this piece will go directly to the back of the screen, and the sync module will mount to the bottom of this. The reason for that is in the vehicles that this unit works with, there's not enough depth behind it to stack them all together. So you mount this to the panel, sync module to the bottom of it. You have your output for your cable. We have the HDMI connection that you have right here at the monitor, and you're good to go. No modification in any way to the vehicle. So that's the complete kit and the installation, and that is the ESCNAV2 from Advent, and it is shipping now. Thank you.